Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best dog brushes is probably one of the most essential tools in any pet owner's arsenal, helping to keep your furry friend looking and feeling their absolute best while minimizing shedding around your home. A good brush can make grooming a bonding experience rather than a chore, ensuring your dog's coat remains healthy, shiny, and free from painful mats and tangles. From short-haired breeds to long-haired companions, the right brush can significantly improve your dog's comfort and your home's cleanliness, making it a worthwhile investment for any devoted pet parent seeking to maintain their dog's well-being and appearance with ease and effectiveness. Number 5. Aumuca Cat Brush for Shedding. Introducing the Aumuca Cat Brush, designed for all coat types. It's the perfect tool for pet owners, groomers, and vets to keep your pets looking their best. Our brush features skin-friendly massage needles with protective rubber tips. It gently removes loose hair, tangles, and dander without scratching, even on sensitive skin. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and ABS, this brush is built to last. Its thicker, bent needles effectively groom deep into the coat. Cleaning up after grooming is a breeze. With just one click, the collected hair is released, saving you time and effort. We ensure your satisfaction with a 365-day support guarantee. Your pet's health and a shiny coat are our priority. What we like? This brush features skin-friendly massage needles with protective rubber tips, ensuring a gentle grooming experience. Its durable construction with 150 degrees bent needles effectively tackles undercoats. If you have a pet with sensitive skin or are looking for a brush that's easy to clean after each use, this is a great choice. What people say? It removes loose fur easily, is gentle on their skin, and the results were noticeable right away. My pets were comfortable, and cleanup was quick and easy. So easy to clean, and he's been shedding a whole lot. So push the button and fur goes into the garbage can. Pronto, no fur flying or handling. Pugs shed like crazy, and this brush pulled out a ton of loose hair in just one session. I was honestly impressed with how much it removed without having to press too hard. The bristles are gentle but effective, and my dog didn't seem bothered at all while I was brushing him. It also cleans out easily, which makes the whole process quick and simple. Number 4. Bodhi Dog Shampoo Brush. Experience a new level of clean with our innovative grooming tool. Its soft rubber tips gently scrub away dead skin and loose fur, leaving your pet's coat healthy and lustrous. It won't pull on their hair, making it perfect even for sensitive skin. Transform bath time into a soothing massage your pet will adore. This brush not only cleans effectively but also promotes healthy skin and a shiny coat. It's a gentler alternative to traditional brushes, made from natural rubber. Trust and professional-grade quality, recognized with 3 Family Choice Awards. This versatile brush works wonders on both wet and dry fur, ensuring a safe and effective grooming experience for all pets. Tired of shedding messes? This brush is designed to capture loose fur, preventing it from scattering. Its unique design removes hair efficiently without causing discomfort, making cleanup a breeze. From our family to yours, we're dedicated to enhancing the bond with your furry friend. This grooming tool is crafted to bring harmony and joy to your pet care routine. What we like? With gentle rubber tips, this brush effectively removes dead skin and loose fur while providing a soothing massage. It also enhances shampoo lathering for a deeper clean. If you're looking for a brush that makes bath time more enjoyable and effective, especially for pets with sensitive skin or short hair, this is the one. What people say? The soft, flexible bristles help work shampoo into my dog's coat and reach down to the skin without scratching. This snugs over the back of the hand with a strap like a horse grooming brush. It really does help lather up good and clean down through the hair to the skin just like it advertises. Takes out a ton of loose hair that my de-shedding tool misses with ease. It lathers up the soap good too. Number 3. Poodle Pet Dematting Fur Rake Comb Brush. Introducing the Poodle Pet Dematting Fur Rake Comb Brush, the ultimate grooming tool for your furry friends. It's highly recommended by professionals and pet owners alike. Designed specifically for long-haired pets, this tool effectively removes knots, mats, and tangles from their coats. It's the top choice for dematting dogs and cats. The easy grip handle is made of heavy-duty rubber with a textured surface for a secure hold. This ensures a comfortable and safe grooming experience, even on wet or dry fur. Featuring extra-long 2.5-inch stainless steel blades, it reaches deep into thick fur to tackle tough knots and mats. This is the best rake for undercoat brushing. Crafted with top-grade rubber and rust-proof stainless steel, this grooming brush is built to last. It's strong enough to handle all your long-haired pet grooming needs. What we like. This tool is designed with long steel safety blades to effectively remove knots, mats, and tangles, especially in thick undercoats. Its easy grip handle ensures comfort and safety during use. If your pet has long hair prone to matting or you're looking for a professional-grade tool for DIY grooming, this dematting rake is ideal. What people say. This tool, the dematting comb brush for dogs, allowed me to loosen up the mat without my dogs crying or trying to bite me. Works great on a 70-pound golden doodle. It costs me nearly $300 every time I take him to the groomer. This and some hand trimming helps in between taking him to the groomers, going on 3 months now. This dematting comb has been a lifesaver for my long-haired pet. It easily removes tangles and mats without pulling too hard or causing discomfort. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, making grooming sessions much easier for both me and my pet. Number 2. AIRROBO PG100 Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Introducing the AIRROBO PG100, your ultimate solution for pet grooming. It tackles shedding and keeps your home clean with ease. Experience powerful cleaning with 12,000 pascals strong suction. This device effectively removes loose hair from your pet and your home. Groom your pet without the stress. Its quiet operation ensures a calm and comfortable experience for both you and your furry friend. The generous 2L capacity means you can groom your pet multiple times without needing to empty it frequently. Spend more time bonding and less time cleaning. Achieve a beautifully groomed pet and a cleaner living space. This kit is designed for convenience and efficiency in pet care. What we like. This grooming vacuum kit offers strong 12,000 pascals suction to effectively collect shedding hair, keeping your home clean. It operates quietly, minimizing stress for your pet. If you're tired of dealing with flying pet hair and want a convenient, mess-free grooming solution, this vacuum kit is a game changer. What people say. Neither of my dogs object to being vacuumed because the system is very quiet. There are no high-pitched whines or odd sounds which might frighten my dogs. I particularly like the fact that I can clean the head without putting my hands in the hair and spreading it around. A couple quick flicks of the cleaner lever and I'm ready to resume vacuuming and grooming my dogs. The AIRROBO is surprisingly quiet, especially for how powerful it is, and that made all the difference. Grooming her at home was calm, smooth, and honestly kind of shocking. Number 1. WOPQAEM Pet Slicker Brush, Green. Introducing the WOPQAEM Slicker Brush, designed for ultimate pet comfort. Its skin-friendly needles ensure a gentle grooming experience, perfect for daily massage. Cleaning up after grooming is a breeze. With a simple press of a button, the retractable bristles easily clear away loose hair, keeping your space tidy. Whether your pet has long or short hair, this brush is perfect for them. It effectively reaches the undercoat, making it suitable for dogs and cats of all types. Grooming for extended periods is no longer a strain. The ergonomic, anti-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for long, enjoyable grooming sessions. We prioritize your pet's comfort and well-being in our design. Our dedicated customer service team is also available to assist with any questions you may have. What we like. Featuring retractable bristles and an ergonomic anti-slip grip, this brush offers comfort and ease of use for long grooming sessions. The skin-friendly design ensures a gentle massage without scratching. If you need a versatile brush that works for both long and short-haired pets and appreciate the convenience of easy cleaning, this is an excellent option. What people say. Works wonderful on my cats, both long hairs and my short hairs. I love this brush with soft knobs that will not irritate your cat's skin and the hair just pushes right out when you manipulate the button. It really works to get knots and mats out and the button that you push releases all the hair at once when you are done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.